Malo Ngaue. Thank you for waking. Hape mata meilangi o Glen Innes. Wikelea faka-tonga, Tonga Language Week. Phrase for this year, 2022, or kupu'ilea ki he tauni ua noa uowa. Malo Ngaue. Thank you for waking. Tongans will thank you if they see you doing any type of work. If a Tongan walks by someone sweeping the yard, they will call out to them, Malo e tafi. Thank you for sweeping. If the neighbor is painting their own house or fence, you call out, Malo e vali. Thank you for painting. In general, you don't have to mention the specific work they are doing. Just say, Malo e Ngaue. Thank you for working. This also applies if you enter a workplace, in the office, or on phone, online. You can greet them by saying, Malo e Ngaue. O fato.